Okay. Hi, Nitin. Welcome to the API Testing Summit video call interview by Agile Testing Alliance. Thank you so much for accepting our speaker invite and thank you for your submission. So, I would like to first start with your basic introduction as to would you like to tell the audience as to who you are and what Synapse Q is all about?
Yeah, thank you so much, Pallavi and the Agile Testing Alliance for the invitation for this and giving me an opportunity to talk. I am Nitin, a passionate tester and a test automation enthusiast. I'm currently working with Fave in Malaysia as QA lead for test automation, and I'm also a blogger. And I would like to call myself as a storyteller. And I am the founder of Synapse QA, which is a community-driven co-writing space for the testers.
Okay, that's great. So it's good to meet another storyteller. I would like to say that. So, what is about stories that you enjoy the most?
I personally believe we all have different kind of stories to say, right? And if someone is sharing an article or blog, it will have their own personal instincts, and it will be different based on their the personal opinions will be really different, and the stories each and everyone will be saying will be different. So what I look for is the a person's relation in the article which they are writing. So when I read a blog, what I really look for is the heart which the author is trying to communicate.
Okay, that's great. I see that with your speaker title, the submission title as well, that you are associating APIs with dating, and you are bringing in
Yes.
all the aspects of relationship into it, where you said that you would like to know API as to how much people invest when they're trying to date someone, about their breakups, their challenges, and then eventually having a long term relationship. That's a great insight. I have never come across a submission like that. So, would you like to tell as
Mhm.
to what the audience can expect from your dating experience with APIs?
Okay. So when I started with API testing, also there was a lot of challenges which I faced. I was doing API testing during my initial days when I started my career. I was scared. I didn't know how to start, and all those kind of problems were actually a struggle for me. So then I started to learn the basics with the help of a developer friend of mine. And once I start getting the concepts and having a solid foundation, it actually helped me throughout my career journey to keep a long-term relationship with APIs mainly. So whenever now, if I am asked to present something or create an automation framework or something, I will always check for the possibility of integrating API test into it.
Okay. So, what is that about your relationship with API you like the most versus the other aspects of an application?
Uh, Once we have a API testing in place, actually what it lets us understand is more about the technical aspects of the application itself. So we will have more understanding of the tech stack and the internal architecture of our application, somewhat, right? And with while testing the APIs, we will have a close collaboration with our developers. So that is one more good thing and an advantage. So we can check with them on all the possible scenarios which could happen when we integrate this with the UI and all.
Okay, okay, that's a good insight. So I see that you would also be touching base upon the security testing aspects into API. So what can people expect out of that
Yes.
talk, that part of your talk?
Uh, so the, okay, so that part, mainly OWASP, every time they release a set of guidelines for security testing aspects. So I am trying to integrate a few pointers on top 10 vulnerabilities along with the API testing.
Okay, that's good to know. Surely we are looking forward to your talk, Nitin. So how is Malaysia treating you? Are you enjoying being there?
Yeah, it's really great. It is more or less similar to my hometown Kerala.
Oh, okay.
So I start liking here, and the people are very friendly and helpful also. The only
Okay.
thing is I cannot fly back during this time of COVID.
Okay.
Other than
Yeah.
that, it's going well.
Yeah. So I've been to Kerala last year, and I guess I'm in love with that place. It's amazing. I understand why people call it God's own country. I realize it. It's very heartwarming to be there. So indeed, you come from a great state of India. Okay, Nitin. So thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much.
Nitin.
Thank you.
I'll thank you so much, and we look forward to your talk on the API Testing Summit on May 8th by Gel Testing Alliance. And thank you for being with us, and thank you for accepting the invite.
Okay, thank you so much, Pallavi.
Thanks,
Nice
Nitin.
talking to you.
Yeah,
I'm
same here.
looking forward for.
Same here, Nitin.